If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it. In the today's video, we will be seeing a numerical based on the linear regression which follows the equation y is equal to mx plus b. So previously we have seen what is mean by regression and what are the different types of regression and what are the different formulas. So link to that will be in the description, you can go through it. So in this video we will see a numerical where we have x and y values, and these are the formula that are used to evaluate the values, where m is the slope and b is the intercept. So this is the formula for m, and for b we have two formulas for b. So we can use any one of them. There are many formulas where we use standard deviation also. We have shown already in the previous videos. So now for x and y values, we have to calculate x, y and x square, since we need that in a formula. So the xy will be 2, 1 and 6, and the x square will be 4, 1 and 9. Now we will take the summation of all of these terms. So the summation of x will be obviously 2, summation of y will be 2, and summation of xy will be 9, and the summation of x square will be 14. So these are the summations. Now we have the values and we have the formula. So we will put the values into the formula. So the formula for m is n into summation xy. So n is the total number of values. We have 3 records. So 3 into 9 minus summation x into summation y, which is 2 into 2, that is 4. Similarly, downside n into summation of x square, so which is 14, 3 into 14 minus summation x whole square. So summation x is 2, 2 square is 4. So now we will do the calculation. As we know, 9 3 is 27 minus 4, and downside we will get 42 minus 4. So after solving this, we get the value of m as m is equal to 23 divided by 38, which is approximately in 0.605. So this is the value of m that we get from the numerical. So this is the slope, which is the m value. Now we can calculate the value of b by using two formulas. So already we have calculated the m, so we will use the downside formula for the calculation. So we have summation of y is 2 minus value of m is 0.605 into value of summation x is 2 divided by total number of values. Here n is equal to 3. So we will put n value as 3. After solving this equation, we will get the value of b, and then we can put it into the equation, that is y is equal to mx plus b. So the value of b will get is 0.26. So the value of equation is y is equal to mx plus b. So we have the value of m, that is 0.605 x, plus the value of b is 0.26. So this is the linear regression equation for the given set of values, that is x and y. So whenever the points are given, we have to use the formula and calculate the values so that we can find the linear regression equation line. So here the 0.26 values denote the b, that is the intercept, whereas 0.265 is m, the slope of the line, and x is the independent variable, whereas y is the dependent variable. So for more such videos, stay tuned and connected. Also follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to channel for more videos. Thank you.